Saliside Road, then turn right.
So she said right, so I'm already checking my mirrors and I'm just slightly moving to my right. I can do a quick signal there because ahead of me there's going to be 3 lanes, but the road is going to become a lot tighter.
Go right on the roundabout and take the 3rd exit, then turn right.
So check my mirror, signal right, making sure the lights are green. Yep, so I can go ahead. Like I said, it's going to become tighter here, even though I mentioned there are 3 lanes. Just round the corner there will be 3 lanes. So I'm taking the 3rd exit. It's where it says Empire, the hairdressers, the barbers. Yeah, I can go onto the roundabout, follow it round. This is my 2nd exit, checking my mirror, signaling left. Watch out for the pelican crossing ahead of me. So I'm just watching my speed. It was about 10, 11 miles an hour.